In this video, we are going to discuss how you can create a YouTube channel and how you can update it various things on the YouTube channel such as about section, channel art, profile picture, etc. So first of all, you have to log in using your Gmail account. Click on sign in, enter email ID and password, create on this top right icon and then create a channel. Get started. You can either use your name or use a custom name. Click on this icon, I understand, and then create. Click on create. Now you have to upload a profile picture. Then you can write a description of your channel here. You can also include a link, custom link on your channel. But right now, if you don't have the social links or website, you can simply set up later. Click on this set up later and continue. Save and continue, and your channel is ready now. The next thing that you need to do is customize your channels. So customize your channel. You can add a channel art from here. Channel art in the sense that it should be the cover picture, you can say. Click on edit links or edit channel art and click on edit channel art, and then you can upload photos either from here, your own photos if you have, or you can also select from some of the YouTube galleries that YouTube has uploaded this picture, so you can select any one of these. Do note that the channel art looks differently on mobile, TV and desktop. You can also, after uploading the photo, you can adjust and crop. So for example, if I want to show this part, you can simply keep like this and then device preview. You can see how this is looking on device, TV and on mobile, right? And click on select. Then here you can again click on this icon, take your mouse here, click on this icon and then edit links. From here you can add more links over here. Overlay first 5 custom links on channel art. You can have 5 custom links over here. You can also add your business inquiries email here. So you can enter your email ID, location, alright, and a description of your channel over here. To customize more settings, you can click here, and here are certain settings like keep all my subscription private. So you can, if you do not want to show number of subscribers, you can keep this private. You can also keep all your saved playlist in private so that no one else can see that. This is done when you have a new channel and you have very few followers or no followers. There are 2 more settings here, account settings and advanced settings. So we'll see what is account settings. Account settings, you can see privacy, connected accounts, watch on television, billing and payments. So accounts, you can see a quick idea. Here you can again channel edit your name and profile picture, status and features. You can also add or manage your channels. So you can create a new channel over here from an existing. If you have one Gmail ID, you can create multiple YouTube channels. So you can create a new channel over here. Then you can also add or remove managers who can manage your channel. So add or remove manager. You can add more people from here. Choose a role. Manager, owner, community, communications manager. Owner is someone who owns the channel, so you can transfer the ownership of the channel. Manager is who can manage everything on the channel except that adding more people. And communication manager is someone who can post on your community and communicate with your fans. Now let's go to advanced settings, and here you have more advanced settings. You can add your country, channel keywords. Then you can link a Google Ad account here. So you have to sign in into Google Ads account and give permission so that you can manage all your YouTube promotions from your Google Ads account. Remember that YouTube promotions are now managed through Google Ads account. Here you can set whether you want to show your channels in others' recommendations or not. and subscriber count. Do you want to display the subscriber count or not? This is, you can use Google Analytics tracking property. So here you can add your Google Analytics tracking ID so that you can manage channel visitors and channel, a few statistics of the channel on through Google Analytics. This is all for now. We will create a new video for other settings on how to upload video and optimize it for search engines. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you can get all the updates about YouTube marketing, digital marketing and content writing. Thank you very much for watching this video.